JOME Engineering stands as a beacon of excellence for repair services in the maritime and offshore industry. At the heart of our operations lies our state-of-the-art workshop, spanning an impressive 160,000 square feet. This facility is equipped with cutting-edge machinery that perfectly complements our highly skilled service team. JOME Engineering is officially registered across all UAE ports, authorized to conduct comprehensive ship repair activities with an unwavering commitment to excellence. Our team, comprising around 400 highly skilled and seasoned professionals who excel in various divisions within our workshop, which include experts in fabrication, machine shop operations, mechanical team, automation, carpentry, and inspection, ensuring a comprehensive and proficient approach to our projects. Our fabrication workshop is equipped to take up any type of marine, offshore, and industrial fabrication jobs. All our welders are approved by Class DNV. Our fabrication shop is equipped with blasting and painting facility. Our machine shop is equipped with advanced machinery to support our mechanical team in conducting repairs on a diverse range of ship machinery. Piston crowns, exhaust valve spindles, cylinder heads and covers, various types of pumps, different types of valves, heat exchangers, cargo oil pump turbine, motor overhauls and rewinding, we also take up jobs in afloat, lay-by and docking. We also have specialized team and tools for condition monitoring of vessels' asset. We offer drone inspections for tank condition assessment, LDM for cylinder liner condition analysis, laser alignment tool for prime mover and equipment, and for rotating parts we have dynamic balancing machine. We also specialize in providing top-notch marine electrical and automation services. We manufacture seat rings for a diverse range of cargo and ballast valves. Manufacture SS bellows, SS hoses and different types of hydraulic hoses. We also manufacture class-approved pilot and embarkation ladders. JOME Engineering. Creating better service for tomorrow.